In this video, you will learn how to collect an AI CBCT oral report study in just 5 minutes for radiological reports, endodontic studies, implantology studies, third molar studies and CBCT DICOM files into STL bone files within SmileFy in collaboration with Diagnocat using your CBCT file as a SmileFy member. The process is done in 4 steps. 1. Purchase an AI report case on the SmileFy website. A. Go to smilefy.com from your browser. B. Select Pricing, scroll down and select the number of credits you want. 1 credit equals 1 report. Once purchased, the credit will be added to your SmileFy account. 2. Create a digital patient on SmileFy. A. Open SmileFy app. B. Select New Patient followed by Patient Digitalization. C. Upload your patient's picture or use the avatar. D. Scroll up and upload the CBCT DICOM file as zip into SmileFy. Attention! The DICOM files must be in a .zip folder. E. Tap Next and add the patient's name and save the case. F. Select Case Management. P.S. If you have previously added your patient's files, open the SmileFy app. Select My Patients, followed by the patient's files icon and upload the CBCT DICOM as .zip into the designated box. Tap Next, save the case and select Case Management. 3. You are now in the Patients folder. Find and tap on the Diagnocat icon in the top right corner. A. Select the type of report you want for your case. Radiological reports, endodontic studies, implantology studies, third molar studies, or CBCT DICOM files into STL bone files. You can visualize instantly from your SmileFy screen or export a PDF file to your device by clicking Export. B. Once selected, the AI report will be generated in approximately 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed. If CBCT segmentation is chosen, once ready, the CT bone file will automatically be added to the Patient Digitalization folder.